Hey guys, today I got a trade package from this girl called Kawaii Squishies, and it's like Kawaii has a single eye and there's a space between the name. So yeah, in my excitement I opened this package and also at the same time, so I just want to show you because it's just all over like face palm. Okay, so firstly she gave me this really cute it's Care Bear paper, and she said, "Hi Tara, thanks so much for trading. Hope we can trade again." And her Instagram name is actually Tutu Squishy, and she sells a few squishies and she trades a lot. So yeah, you guys can go follow her. She's really cool. Yeah. Okay, so for the items, we traded for this Corla Kumaha pink cupcake, and this will like defect at the years, but who cares? I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. In case of this really cute tape and this tag. Next, she gave me this as an extra, and it's defected, but it's really nice to squish, and I can defect it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I don't care about the defects because it's really rare and cute. So yeah, thanks for trading with me. And oh yeah, everything came in this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.